how to turn on or turn off auto remove permissions if app is unused on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on apps. And from here, tap on an app that you would like to manage. So for example, messages here. And then we scroll down. And in here you can see it says manage app if unused. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Here, when we turn it on, the phone will automatically remove permissions if app is unused. And that's it. Turn it on or off as desired. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.